An earthquake with a magnitude of 6.6 hit Nepal on Wednesday morning, according to the Seismological Center of the nation, and local media reported that 6 people had been killed. Kathmandu was the epicenter of the quake. In the Doti area of Nepal, the collapse of a home caused by the earthquake resulted in the deaths of 6 persons. Earlier estimates placed the magnitude of the earthquake at 5.6 on the scale maintained by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center. The epicenter of the earthquake was located around 159 kilometers, 98 miles, to the northeast of Pilibhit, which is a city in the neighboring Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The earthquake took place at a depth of 10 kilometers. Aftershocks were also felt in New Delhi and the surrounding areas, according to accounts from the media that were published after the earthquake occurred. According to Doti's Deputy Superintendent of Police Bola Bhatta, an additional 5 individuals were critically injured as a result of the collapse of 8 houses. This figure confirms an earlier estimate that was provided by an official from the Home Ministry named Tulsi Rigel. The earthquake caused mud and brick homes to collapse, and the local media broadcast images of rescue workers searching among the debris for anybody who might have survived. According to the spokesman for the Nepali army, Narayan Sawal, at least 2 persons have been reported missing. Nepal is still in the process of rebuilding after 2 big earthquakes struck the country in 2015, killing approximately 9,000 people, destroying entire villages and temples that dated back hundreds of years, and costing the economy a total of 6 billion. Doti is located about 430 kilometers to the west of Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal.